Apple's upcoming iPhone 15 series is inching closer to its September launch. Unsurprisingly, we have even more details now on these upcoming phones. The iPhone 15 and iPhone 15 Plus are expected to get major updates this year, such as a dynamic island and the new Apple A16 Bionic chipset that the iPhone 14 lacked. iPhone 15 color options revealed by Foxconn employee. According to a Weibo post by a Foxconn employee, the company that assembles iPhone models in China, we have more info on the color options we should expect in the non-Pro models of Apple's new flagship series. The iPhone 15 is expected to come in pink, yellow, and green colors along with the standard midnight and starlight options. To recall, we earlier reported how the iPhone 15 is expected to receive a new cyan-like green color option this year. The pink on the other hand should be a slightly more saturated shade this time around as compared to iPhone 13's extremely light approach to the color. Interestingly, Apple seems to have dropped the previously rumored choice of blue, an option that it has been providing consecutively since the iPhone 12 series, in favor of a yellow color option. Apple launched the iPhone 14 in the yellow color option as a part of its usual spring refresh. The phone came at a starting price tag of 79,900 rupees in India. There are no price bumps expected for the lower range, however, we might see an increase in the iPhone 15 Pro Max's price tag thanks to the addition of periscope camera and other new hardware.